We are living the era of gadgets and smartphones, and communication has never been so easy. With social media, we're always connected to our friends and millions of other people. No matter where we are, all we need is a smartphone with an internet connection. 39% increase in the number of hours people spend on their smartphones. However, being the business of making apps, we must question what's the impact of mobile phones in our lives and society. Well, look into what are the positive and negative effects of using mobile phones on daily basis.
Let's talk about positive and negative impact of mobile technologies in our lives. One of the negative impact of mobile technology is waste of time.
Negative effects of mobile phones in our lives. On average, we pick up our phones 58 times per day. A recent study from digital analytic firm Rari shows that we surprisingly spend on average almost 3 to 4 hours a day staring at our smart devices. As much we love what nowadays smartphones can do for us, its technology also has a downside.
Phone addiction has a name, nomophobia, the fear of being out of the cell phone contact. Therefore, not just spending too much time on our devices is a sign of addiction, but the fear of not having them on as well. Like any other forms of addiction, studies show that people that are addicted to their phones often show signs of depression, anxiety, and other forms of mental health problems. 66% of population shows sign of nomophobia.
Another study from Florida State University says that smartphone notification can impair our concentration. Even being in a short duration, can they can cause enough distraction to affect our ability to focus on a given task, decreasing performance by prompting tasks, irrelevant thoughts, and mind wandering. This can be a serious problem, like in some instances, driving. One simple notification can cause a serious accidents. 84% of US adults use their personal phone in working hours.
Positive effects of mobile phones in our life. Example, communication. Beside the dark, part of mobile technology in the form of phones, tablets, and notebooks is making our lives better than ever before. It does this in many ways, not the least of which is making communication routine. We can be touched with those we need to reach, whether work-related or personal in nature. Mobile technology has changed the way we do business for the better.
Never have we been able to share so much with friends and family as we can today. That is in great part due to mobile technology. Without mobile devices and the technology behind them, participation in social networking would never have grown as much as it is.
Hello everyone. We conducted an interviews to some millennials about the positive and negative impact of mobile technologies in their lives. And here are their answers.
Good morning, I'm Cadet Pertes. May I ask your name?
I am Shixlin Manyala.
So I am here today to ask you a question that what is the effect of mobile technology on you as a millennial?
I think as a millennial, nakakatulong yung mobile technology, not just, hindi lang libangan, it's not just a leisure time to us. So, nagagamit din natin siya when we shop, when we learn. Mas nagiging convenient yung life. And just like nung pandemic, isn't it? Alam naman natin na hindi tayo nakakalabas ng bahay. Mas okay, mas malaking tulong since broad yung internet, mas nagagamit natin siya sa mobile technology. So, mas napapakinabangan natin siya in a nice way kasi hindi tayo nakakalabas before. Yung mga pangangailangan natin, napapurchase na natin on using the mobile technology. Also, pag nasa bahay ka, nawawala yung inip mo since you are using a mobile technology. Also, sa school,
Yeah.
mas convenient siya, lalo na ngayon, dun sa heat index ngayon sa Pilipinas, hindi na on-site yung pag-aaral. So, we can use the mobile technology as a platform for online classes.
Alternative way, no?
Yes.
So, on your own opinion, what's the negative impact of mobile technology?
I think yung negative impact ng mobile technology sa atin, mas nagbe-base na tayo ngayon sa mobile technology such as pag gumagawa ng assignments, gumagamit na tayo ng AI ngayon, which is hindi naman dapat. Hindi na siya nagagamit in a nice way. Yun lang.
Good morning. I'm Cadet Mira. And may I know your name?
I'm Kimberly Conanan.
I have a question now. As a millennial, what is the impact of mobile technology in your life?
I believe it has both advantages and disadvantages. And under advantages, I think the main advantage of it is that, especially nowadays, it allows us to communicate with our loved ones, even we are kilometer or miles away from them. Also, mas convenient now, especially in ordering online, shopping. Like, we can order in our home, then i-deliver nila sa atin. Then, under disadvantages naman, I believe nag-excess lang yung disadvantages kapag yung technology is na-abuse siya and hindi siya na gagamit in good way. So, one of the disadvantages is, yung mga student is parang nagko-commit sila ng plagiarism nowadays, especially in research. So, parang na-attempt sila na gamitin, especially ngayon, if familiar tayo sa ChatGPT. Natututo silang mag-plagiarize because of technology. Then, isa din is yung privacy. Mas an information technology student, tinuturo nila sa amin na yung mga binibigay natin information online is ginagamit nila yon para ibenta and pinagkakaperahan nila yon. Hindi natin alam kung saan napupunta. So, both advantages and disadvantages, we can control that by just using technology in good way.
Good morning, I'm Cadet Mira, and may I know your name?
I'm Rihanna Ashikapili.
And I have a question for you. What is the impact of mobile technology in your life as a millennial?
The impact of mobile technology on today's generation is very alarming due to various issues happening within social media. One reason for negative effect is lahat ng mga bata is mas focus na ang pagsa-cellphone, hindi na nakikisalamuha sa ibang mga bata, gano'n. Mas napofocus yung paglalaro sa mobile, tapos mas active sa mga social media, kung ano yung mga nakikita tulad ng mga pang 18 na above yung dapat makakita.
Yes.
Tapos as positive effects, tulad ngayon, halos lahat ng mga universities is nag-implement ng online classes sa sobrang init.
Yes.
Kaya mas malaki ang naitutulong sa mga tulad ng G-classes, Zoom, ganun. Tapos, mas napapadali ang pagkikipag-communicate sa mga kaibigan, pamilya na nasa abroad through the use of mobile technology and mobile internet.
Yes. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I'm Cadet Carpio. May I know your name, sir?
My name is Joshua Gyal.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Okay.
For you as a millennial, what is the impact of mobile technology in your life?
As a millennial, there are positives and negatives impact of technologies in my life. Unahin na siguro natin yung positive. We know that during pandemic, nakatulong ito para makontinue yung pag-aaral, hindi siya ma-stop and hindi masayang yung oras. And at the same time, nakakatulong ito para mapabilis yung mga trabaho and also to have connection with your friends and in schooling sa mga group mates, even though hindi kayo mag-meet, is nakakatipid kayo ng oras ng pera na may spend na imbis na magkita-kita is gagamitin na lang yung technology para magkaroon ng connection. And also, instead of reading books or browsing books, we only use technology para mas mapabilis yung trabaho and makatipid sa oras. And also, hindi na natin siya kailangan basahin ng buo. Malilimitahan yung mga ideas or information na kakailanganin natin. And also, malaking tulong siya sa pag-aaral, but hindi naman dahil meron siyang magandang epekto is kakalimutan na natin na meron din siyang mga negative effects, which is kung minsan ito pa yung nagiging cause para pumasok ka ng walang tulog, ma-addict ka or mawalan ka ng oras sa ibang mga bagay like family, friends, or mga libangan. And also minsan hindi siya naggamit doon sa purpose niya na maganda sana para sa atin, which is nagiging abusive tayo as a millennials. There are a lot of times na we're just spending time or most of our time doing or playing games like Mobile Legends. And also, nagiging way na rin siya para ma-promote yung sugal. So, hindi na rin siya nagiging healthy para sa mga bata. Alam naman natin, during the past, yung mga bata, most of their time, ini-spend nila yung time nila sa labas ng bahay, playing with other friends. But ngayon, yung mga bata is, they used to stay in their home kasi nga mainit, and also to use the mobile technology to play games, use it on Facebook, Instagram, or other application na ginagamit sa mobile technology, which is nagiging harm din siya or negative kasi yun nga, napopromote yung sugal, or one click or isang shared na maling video is maaari nilang makita na pwede mag-cause sa kanila ng harm or misunderstanding, which is kailangan talaga yung provisions or yung guide ng mga parents during this time. So hindi rin natin masasabi na totally positive talaga yung impact ng mobile technology sa atin. So lagi nating tatandaan, hindi porket maganda yung outcome ng isang produkto is kakalimutan na natin yung negative effect. Yun nga, challenge sa atin na hindi lang tayo mag-focus doon sa positive effect, kailangan din nating maunawaan at malaman kung ano yung mga negative effect para magamit sa wasto yung technology or mobile technology na ginawa talaga para sa ikabubuti at hindi para sa ikasasama. So yun lang siguro, wag na lang maging abusive and i-manage na lang natin na maayos yung oras natin para maiwasan yung mga bagay na hindi kaaya-aya or hindi natin gugustuhin. Salamat.